Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie and Emily.
Hey everybody!
We have got some really fun things to share with you today. We're talking all about lace. Have you seen the new lace, Kimberbell's Lace Studio? It is so fun.
So fun.
I've got to show you a few of these fun things. Now, not only do you get 6 different portrait images, and they are also in more than one size, so think about that. And there's 50 elements, and they come in monochromatic and color. So do that math in your head.
Yeah, it's a lot of designs.
I think you'll be set for life with lace. This is amazing. This is really fun. So let me go over that again. Monochromatic and color. Then there's 6 of those in portraits. And the portrait comes in 5x7 and 6x10, and there's a couple that are 8x12.
Yes.
Think about that, and 50 elements. The elements, let me kind of explain. So this would be a portrait, right? And this would be a portrait, and if you see on the portrait, there's all these cute little elements. So the elements, as you can see on this board here, they each come separately as well.
Yes, so like all of the little pieces of that are inside the portrait can also be stitched separately on their own. There's their own file for each of those, so it's way cool.
So much fun. And we'll share a little bit later today, as well as next week, lots of ideas, because I know people have said, what do I do with my lace? We've got some fun things that you can do with that lace. A lot of fun things.
Yes.
First, we want to give you some lace tips. Do you want to start with the tips?
Sure.
All right.
So one of our tips, this is one of the elements that we've just started stitching, as you can see. So one of our very first tips would be, is any of the colors that you're going to be using, wind a brand new bobbin. So like you can see here, we stitched earlier today the watermelon that Laurie showed. So we wound a brand new bobbin to go with each of our thread colors. So every color stop, when you change your top thread, you're also going to want to change your bobbin thread to match.
Perfect.
Along with that is with each color stop, as you can see here.
This is the back of
the back. Yeah, this is the back of our project.
Doesn't that look good?
Yeah,
this is from the watermelon.
Watermelon. So you can see these are the flip-flops in the portrait, and then this would be the element that
and
comes
that's the
out.
back.
This
Guys,
is the back.
Isn't that crazy?
So
it looks so good.
it looks the same if you wind a bobbin to match. So your front and back look basically the same.
Right? And so I'll show you here. This one was something that was stitched with just a white, and so that's what the back would look like. So it's worth the effort, I think, to make those with the now this was stitched with. Can you tell? That is just amazing.
With the color.
Look at that.
The same color
It's the
for
same,
each side. And
that way, if you're doing freestanding, these are just fun little pieces. If you were to hang this as little ornaments on a tree, you'd want this, reversible for sure.
Yes. Another thing you want to do is between your color stops, you want to clip your bobbin threads. As you can see, these ones, the bobbin threads are kind of like hanging around, catching into each other. So especially on like the portrait designs, they'll get caught into each other, and the back of your lace will look really messy. So you just want to take some scissors in between while you're changing your bobbin thread for each color stop, and just clip all of these little threads. Even if you have a machine that cuts the bobbin thread as a feature, you should still clip them because they leave a little bit of a tail, and they can still get caught in the next design over. So then it looks the same on the back
and the back,
and then
it's
the front.
amazing. And we always start with 2 layers of stabilizer. We always go with 2, and make sure your hoop size fits the design. Don't use a great big hoop for a small design, or you'll have pulling.
Yes.
All right. And then start with a brand new needle.
Yes.
Brand new 7511 embroidery needle. That's really important. All right, and Emily's going to show us kind of how fun this would look like in the hoop stitching.
So I'm just going to pop a colored bobbin in here to match my top thread, just so that it'll look the same on both the front and the back. And then we'll just pop this in here and we'll watch it stitch for a second. And you also want to slow your machine down.
Way down, yes.
If it goes too fast, that will increase the amount that it pulls. So we've slowed this one down.
So you can see
it's going really
But what a fun, beautiful project when it's finished and completed.
Yes.
And that's what you want. You want your project to turn out great, right?
Nice in the end.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That looks great, Emily. I love it. Yeah. So we're gonna just stop it for a second and swing over here. I just want to show you just a little fun idea. So with these flip-flops, we've got this fun summertime watermelon that we've stitched out with lace. This is a planter. Think about this, you guys. This summer, wouldn't that be so cute? Attached to your planter, and then you've got some things coming out of here, and you could actually add some of those elements if you wanted a little flip-flop freely hanging as well by your watermelon. So much fun.
So cute.
So much fun. And I don't know if anybody has any questions, but one thing I do want to mention is the difference between the monochromatic and the color. The monochromatic will have different color stops than the color.
So you really want to make sure that you're pulling the correct file and looking at the correct directions for each, or else your steps and your file will not match. So
that's right. Don't we have a giveaway?
we do have a giveaway.
Giveaway. Who loves giveaways?
I
right?
love giveaways.
All right.
I want to win this giveaway.
Oh, I do too.
It's a good one.
Yes. So this is the Kimberbell Lace Studio design packet right here, and along with that, you can also get the My Lace Maker software, which helps you get more options, more beautiful options. And that is a software that is what we're going to be giving away, right? And we're so excited. So I just want to show you this. This is a video that's on our Facebook page.
It was posted yesterday.
Posted yesterday, thank you. And it's the Kimberbell Lace Studio Tips and Techniques video. And so if you'll go on, this is the way you win, right? And I'm sure you're wondering, what do we win, right? First I'm going to tell you how you're going to win, and I'm going to tell you what you're going to win. So these are, the different ways are actually on the actual video link. So if you'll go to the Facebook page, Kimberbell Facebook page, and you can also do it on Instagram, so keep in mind there's both those options, and go to watch the video, the Kimberbell Lace Studio Tips and Techniques video. Watch that, and then you like the video, you share the video, you can tag a friend. Now you don't have to do all of these, but you can do one of these, but the more that you do,
the more chances to win. So.
That's right. And the last one would be that you leave us a comment on this post right here about your next purchase or what you're going to make on your lace video after you've purchased your lace studio. All right, what do you win? Should we tell them? All right.
I think we should.
So what you get to win, it's a $500 value, and it is called, I want to make sure I get this correct, one winner, and there's just one winner, will receive the Dime Lace Maker software, which is a $500 value. And we're excited to announce this, by the way. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to draw the winner next week. So this is a huge giveaway. It was in collaboration with our designs with Dime, and it's their Dime Lace Maker software. I can say that's a mouthful. Anyway, but all of that is on that post, that video from yesterday. So make sure you go to that video. That's a really cool. That's a really cool giveaway.
It's a really awesome giveaway.
Yeah. So join us next week. We will announce the winner, as well as we'll give you some more tips how to finish off that lace project that you've already got started. Thank you so much, and join us next Tuesday at 3 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. Bye-bye.